What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Marinade. Yes guys, after yesterday's major drop, it has started to pump back up in value. As you can see, over 100% up, and it is now worth just under 22 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it still a risky time to get into it? Should you sell it if you are on a profit? Basically covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at this prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Not like we've got long left anyway, but looking at how high it can go, and going into 2023, is Marinade a must have in your crypto wallet? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So let's not talk about what happened yesterday in the crypto market. Major drops guys. As you can see, Bitcoin was worth around just about over $15,000, recovered a little bit, but overall it is still down majorly guys. And obviously Ethereum dropped quite heavily as well. So yeah, let's not talk about that. Let's focus on the future. Is it worth buying right now? Should you wait for it to drop even more? So on and so on. So on the Coinbase website, we can see the market is up just about over a percentage, which is basically not that much compared to the drop yesterday. Over the last hour itself, Marinade has managed to gain a massive 30% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Going from, as you can see here, it's gained just about 6 cents in value. Over the last day, 112%. We can see very early this morning, 2 a.m. as you can see, it went up 150% up to $29. Sorry, not $29, 29 cents. Dropped back down to 15 cents, and right now slowly climbing back up in value. And over the week it is up 205%. But again, we can see it after the pump that took place last Friday, it did have a slow and steady drop in value, and we can see the highest it's been to was 36 cents, hitting 348% increase. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 500% in the last 24 hours, making it 8.2 billion. Sorry, not billion. I'm getting my numbers mixed up today. $8.2 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Marinade. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. So more and more people are going to be investing, and we're also going to see a lot of sellers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, we're just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the blue and the orange line at the bottom here, which we'll be looking into very shortly. But let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart first for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer. As usual, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, we should expect it to be trading at a higher value than what it's worth at the moment. However, I'm not expecting any major increases in value. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming 3, 4, 5 hours before it slowly starts to peak back up in value, because I've always mentioned this, and I'm going to mention it again. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Marinade. Again, there's no different to that. Again, as you can see, it pumped up earlier this morning, huge pump here, dropped back down, pumping back up in value again right now, likely to drop back down to around the 16 to 18 cents target before going back up in value, hitting about 24 to 25 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today. Nothing major, but minimal increases in value. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are still looking bullish, still looking positive. As you can see, the blue and the orange line are going in a bullish direction. So again guys, more increases in value are expected. However, it's not going to be a consistent green candlesticks every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days, we are going to have green days. There's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So again, it's not going to be a major increase in value, it is going to be minimal, potentially fluctuating around 25 to 26 cents by mid next week is what I'm expecting. So let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're not looking as steep as the previous two charts, but again, that is what we want to see. We don't want to see steep lines going in a bullish direction over the next couple of weeks, because that's going to mean it's not realistic. And again, in this case, we got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, but they are just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming weeks. So let's say mid to late December, we should expect an overall increase in value on Marinade, potentially heading to about 30 to 35 cents is what my predictions are as of right now. However, this could of course change according to any new updates, any new news that come across. And as you guys saw yesterday with the major crash, you know, if Bitcoin drops down to 10-15k, we may see Marinade drop down quite heavily as well. However, if we do see Bitcoin pumping up to in value to about 25, 30, 35k or whatever it is, then yes, we may see major increases in value, not just on Marinade, but the most cryptocurrencies out there as well. But anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So now that we've done the MACD indicator, let's get rid of that and let's bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. And as you can see, this is very interesting, guys. Let me show you why. So we have been very volatile since about last week, shall I say. So as you can see, we were trading in the red zone since, let's have a look here, since May, getting worse and worse and worse. Out of nowhere, we pumped up all the way up to the blue zone here, straight away dropped back down into the green zone, and yeah, back into the red zone yesterday. And today we had a pump up into the green zone. Very likely we may be able to head into the dark green zone as well, above the 27 cents target, but it's very likely it's going to drop straight back down after that. So more or less, we should be trading in the green zone over the next couple of days and then potentially heading upwards from there. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Marinade, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to give you guys updates on this crypto on a regular basis, about 3-4 times a week, depending on how often you guys want it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick update on Marinade. Let me know what your predictions and your expectations are, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And especially that I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto, saying it's a pump and dump token, so on and so on. Comment down below your expectations from this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.